to this stunning 3,644 square foot home located in the highly desirable Buckhead North community. This beautiful residence offers more than just 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and an impressive 4-car garage. We begin right here on the huge rocking chair front porch, the perfect place to enjoy morning coffee and greet guests with classic Southern charm. As we step inside, the freshly painted interior opens to an expansive family room where a gas fireplace serves as the warm and inviting centerpiece. Just off the main living area is a formal dining room, ideal for hosting gatherings as well as a flexible space that can easily function as an additional sitting room, home office, or library, whatever fits your lifestyle best. Flowing seamlessly from here is the spacious kitchen, complete with a breakfast nook, ample cabinetry, and a generous pantry. Whether preparing meals for a crowd or enjoying everyday cooking, this space offers both comfort and functionality. The primary suite, tucked away on its own side of the home in a true split floor plan design, provides privacy and relaxation. The bedroom features a charming bay window overlooking the private backyard, and the ensuite bath includes double vanities, a garden tub, a separate walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet with built-in closet system to keep everything organized. Continuing on the main floor, you will find 2 additional guest bedrooms, both spacious and filled with natural light, along with a full bath conveniently located between them. Now let's head upstairs. To the left is the 4th bedroom, complete with its own full bath. Continuing around that corner, you enter a huge bonus room featuring a wet bar, a fantastic setup for a private guest suite, entertainment zone, or recreational space. At the top of the stairs to the right is another bonus room, perfect for a media room, office, home gym, or even an additional bedroom. No matter your needs, this home provides incredible flexibility and an abundance of storage throughout. And finally, one of the standout features, this property includes a 4-car garage. This exceptional home in Buckhead North combines space, function, and timeless style in one of the area's most sought-after neighborhoods.
welcome to our listing at 41974 Saratoga Circle in Canton Forest Condominiums. Come on in and take a look.